today we are going to learn how to get frequencies and do crosstabs in SPSS. So when you enter your data in SPSS, it looks like that. And here we have a variable view where we're able to see the variables in our data. And these are marital status, educational level. As you read down, these are all variables. Then our data, in our data view, we have them right here. So we are going to learn frequencies and crosstabs. When you want to do frequencies, the first thing you go to analyze. For example, right now you want to know how many females do we have and how many males do we have. So we want to know their percentages and also their numbers. We can also want to know how many married people do we have, how many unmarried do we have according to your data. Like here, marital status, you have other married. So you like to know, you may want the frequencies of those who are married, those who are in the other, and those who are unmarried. So that's the meaning of frequencies. So you come to analyze, then you come to descriptive, and then you come to frequencies. So here we have this box where all our variables are, and then we have this box where we put the variable we want to work with. Now we want to know the frequencies of female and male. So we shall select gender, and then we click on this arrow to take our variable in the working box. And then afterwards, you can paste. You can either say okay or you paste. As I've been saying, when you paste, your command is kept, and you can always go back and you tap that command and get the results. So we shall paste. When we paste, this is our command. We select it and then we run it. And after running it, we are going to come to the results window. And when we come to results window, we see that we have females, they are 310 with a percentage of 74.2, and males 108 with a percentage of 25.8. So this is our results window. Now let's look at how we do crosstab. In crosstab, you may want to find out how many females are taking therapy, how many males are taking therapy. Or you may want to find out how many females are married and how many females are unmarried, how many males are married, how many females are unmarried. So it matters which variables you want to work with. Now, for us here, we want to know, according to our variables here, we want to know how many females are on therapy and how many are not on therapy. So we come to analyze, and then we come to descriptive, then we come to crosstab. When we come to crosstab, we have rows, we have columns. In the rows, it means what is going to go on the horizontal line, and then the column means the vertical line. So on the rows, I want to put my gender. So you select it and you tap the arrow. If you want to bring it back, You also select it and tap the arrow. Now, when I want to take it to the working box, I select it, then I'll take it there to the working box. Now, I want to know how many are currently receiving treatment for diabetes. So now these ones, I'm going to select this variable, and then I'm going to take it to column. So they are going to give me a gross tab. So here, I am not interested in keeping my command. I'll just say, okay. And when I say okay, you can see females who are not on treatment for diabetes are 2, but females who are treatment on diabetes are 308. And then we don't have males who are not on treatment. And then we have 108 males who are on treatment. So that's how we do crosstab. We can also try another crosstab like analyze. So just come here to analyze descriptive statistics, crosstab. So we can also decide to work with another variable. So I'm going to take all this back. So I want to work with gender, and then I want to work with marital status. I want to see how many females are married and how many are not married. Then the males who are married and those who are not married. Then I'll click OK in case I don't want to keep my command in the syntax window. Then I come here. So when I come here, they're showing me that females have 135 married, males 92 married, and then the single 27 females are single, males 5 are single. That's what we've learned for today. Thank you so much for listening in. Like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you like.